double gun. Double, gun.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Express. Today we're taking an in-depth look at a legendary American muscle car reborn in a bold modern interpretation, the 2026 Pontiac LeMans 1969 7000 revolutions per minute edition. This model blends the raw spirit of the late 1960s with cutting-edge 2026 technology, delivering classic muscle styling, a high-revving V8 engine, and a fully modernized interior. Let's dive into the exterior design, interior upgrades, performance figures, and expected pricing of this exciting revival. To truly appreciate this car, we need to remember the heritage behind the original Pontiac LeMans. Back in the golden era of American performance, this car stood out with aggressive styling and powerful V8 options. It was produced by Pontiac, a brand known for delivering bold design and street-dominating muscle cars. The 2026 reinterpretation respects that legacy while upgrading nearly every aspect to meet modern expectations. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 LeMans keeps the classic long hood, short deck proportions that defined the 1969 model. The front fascia looks wide and planted, giving it a powerful road presence. Slim LED matrix headlights replace the original round units but maintain the dual lamp signature through a modern lighting layout. A gloss black grille with subtle chrome accents connects the old-school aesthetic with contemporary refinement. The hood design is especially dramatic. A functional center-mounted hood scoop feeds air into the high-revving V8 engine, emphasizing performance. Sharp body lines run along the sides, creating a muscular appearance. The front splitter and sculpted bumper improve aerodynamics while maintaining the aggressive personality expected from a true muscle car. From the side profile, the car appears low, wide, and performance-focused. Large 20-inch forged alloy wheels fill out the flared fenders perfectly. Wide performance tires ensure maximum grip, whether launching off the line or carving through corners. The roofline slopes smoothly toward the rear in a fastback-inspired shape, giving the car a sleek yet powerful silhouette. Carbon fiber side skirts add a modern performance touch. At the rear, the design balances nostalgia with innovation. A full-width LED taillight strip echoes the horizontal design of the 1969 original but with a sharper, more futuristic look. The quad exhaust setup replaces the classic dual exhaust, delivering a deeper and more aggressive exhaust note. A rear diffuser and subtle lip spoiler improve downforce and high-speed stability, making this car more capable than its predecessor ever was. Moving inside, the cabin is where classic inspiration meets digital transformation. The dashboard layout references the round analog gauges of the 1969 model, but now features a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster. Drivers can customize displays to show RPM, performance data, navigation, or driving modes. At the center of the dashboard, a large 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. Premium materials elevate the interior experience. Soft touch leather upholstery, brushed aluminum trim, and contrast red stitching create a sporty yet luxurious atmosphere. The sport bucket seats are deeply bolstered to provide strong lateral support during aggressive driving. They also include heating and ventilation functions, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. While the coupe-style design limits rear seat space slightly, it remains usable for short trips or additional storage. Cargo capacity has also been improved compared to classic muscle cars, making the 2026 version far more practical. Now let's talk about performance, the heart of the 2026 Pontiac LeMans 1969 7000 revolutions per minute edition. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 engine designed to rev all the way up to 7,000 revolutions per minute. This high-revving capability sets it apart from traditional low-revving muscle engines. Estimated output stands at around 480 horsepower and approximately 460 pound-feet of torque. The sound produced at high RPM is expected to be thrilling, delivering the authentic muscle car experience enthusiasts crave. Acceleration is impressive. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time is estimated at just over 4 seconds, making it competitive with modern performance coupes. Buyers can choose between an 8-speed automatic transmission for lightning-fast gear shifts or a 6-speed manual transmission for a more engaging and traditional driving experience. The rear-wheel drive setup preserves classic muscle car dynamics, while an electronic limited slip differential improves traction and stability. The suspension system features adaptive dampers that automatically adjust based on driving mode. In comfort mode, the ride quality is surprisingly smooth for daily commuting. Switch to sport or track mode, and the suspension stiffens, delivering sharper handling and improved cornering control. High-performance ventilated disc brakes with multi-piston calipers ensure strong and consistent stopping power, even during aggressive driving. Modern safety features bring the car fully into 2026 standards. Advanced driver assistance systems include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. These features enhance everyday usability without compromising the car's raw performance identity. Now let's discuss pricing. Considering its limited production nature, powerful naturally aspirated V8 engine, and heritage-inspired design, the 2026 LeMans 7000 revolutions per minute edition is expected to start around $60,000 in the